When you're matching color schemes between map frames, you can use the stretch type, min-max, from either the largest or the smallest of your value ranges. But it's good to know that if you use the smallest range, you can even use a subset of values within that smaller range and focus the color ramp on a particular area. So just to set this up here, I have the same elevation model over the same hillshade. Just take my word for it. I've applied the same color ramp to both. I've grouped them so that the elevation and the hillshade are grouped together. And in the upper layer, I have the full value range. So for this raster tile, it ranges from 1158 meters to 3879 meters. And we've got that in both places. But I went through and sampled the elevation, here and here-ish. And it turns out that those elevations are, I just had this open. In the symbology here, I changed the stretch type to minimum maximum and then set the custom min-max to 1700 to 2300. So 1700 to 2300 is quite a subset of this data. And you might wonder what's happening to the colors of the cell values that fall outside that range. And this is what it looks like. So everything below 1700, so 1158 to 1700, is given the bluest, like the bottom color of this color scheme. And anything outside that upper range from 2300 to 3879 is all colored red, which is the upper end of that color scheme. And if I use the swipe, you can actually swipe on a group. So you can see what I mean, that everything below that min value is now just blanketed with the bottom color of the color scheme, and the red is kind of like a class for all the values that are outside that subset.